Tees, braids, weaves, and wigs. I'm a professional hairstylist servicing Manteca, Stockton, Lodi, Modesto, Sacramento, and all the Bay Area and surrounding areas. Welcome to West Coast Finest. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you do not miss any of our new videos. Yes, click the link below to visit our website and get your order in for our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, it is made with 100% all natural ingredients. And yes, it's me, your girl T, dropping another video. Peace and blessings, fam. So yes, today I am going to show you my new elastic band method. Yes, I'm going to show you how to install my elastic band method on my client with alopecia. So let's jump right into this video. As you can see, my client here does have alopecia, and she's been experiencing some hair loss for quite some time. She has hair loss on the side, in the front, and some in the back. She came to me desperately to get something done to her hair. She wants her self-esteem back, her self-confidence lifted, and I told her, no more worries, sis. I got you. So yes, today I'm going to be using and installing my new elastic band method. Yes, my elastic band method is amazing. It is truthfully awesome for anyone who has hair loss, thin hair, damaged hair, and this method can also be used on anyone with healthy hair. So yes, I am going to be using our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter stands for grandmother and granddaughters, and it is full of vitamins, nutrients, and essential oils to promote hair growth. Yes, I'm talking grapeseed oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, and all the essential oils needed to promote hair growth. Yes, it nourishes your scalp, your hair follicles, and your hair shaft. So yes, I have some videos linked in the description below, so you can check out some videos of some clients who have already been using our hair growth butter, and you can see that hair growth that they are experiencing. So yes, get your order in now and keep watching as I show you how I install this elastic band method. Yes, it is the truth. Oh my God, I can guarantee you after watching this video, you will let go any insecurities, anything that you are feeling uneasy about yourself, and you will walk into what a class and a stage of beauty. Yes, this technique is designed for women with alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, short hair, damaged hair, and it can even be used with anyone who has some natural, full-looking hair. You can go from thinning edges, bald edges, to a flawless, natural, sew-in look. Yes, this technique is absolutely amazing. If you have not tried it, yes, you need to try it. Try it today. Share this video with your family, with your friends, and most of all with your hairstylist. If you are into doing hair yourself, you could actually perform this technique on yourself. Again, continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style is accomplished. And tap the link in the description below to get your order in today for your 13x4 frontal elastic band, custom made by myself. Yes, it is not sold in stores. It is not sold online. It is only sold on my website. It is affordable and it is reusable. Yes, ladies, you can reuse this over and over again, and you can get it pre-braided. Yes, pre-braided, meaning the braids are already in the frontal and all you have to do is install it. It is ready for immediate use right out of the package. Yes, get your order in today. The link is in the description below. You will see here, because her hair is very fragile, is very thin and very delicate, I am using my twist method, meaning I'm not braiding these braids going to the back. I am actually doing my twist method. So I start off with a braid to make sure that it doesn't come loose and that it's secure. And then I go right into a twist method. And that twist method releases any tension and any pulling on her hair, because the last thing we want to do is promote any more hair loss. So as you can see here, I am twisting. Look at that twist method. So I'll show a closer up video or a closer up picture at a later date, and you can see how I actually do this twist method. Actually, I think I do have a video. I'll look for it and I'll link it below. So again, I start off with a braid, then I go right into that twist method, and then I end with a short braid just to secure and make sure that that twist does not come down during this protective style that she is wearing. So yes, as you can see, it's very loose right there at the very beginning. Really like braid. So definitely try this method as well. My new sewing method works with all hair types, whether you have fine, thin, curly, hair loss, or thick hair. This game-changing technique is about to take your hair game to the next level. So say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to a beautiful, long-lasting sew-in weave that will definitely turn heads. Again, in this video, I am going to dive into this step-by-step process, and I've been showing you step-by-step how to and providing you with detailed tips to ensure a flawless installation. Yes, get ready. Get ready to experience the ultimate hair transformation. You have never seen anything like this, so please buckle down and try it. It is coming, my elastic band weave. Yes, look at that frontal. That frontal has an elastic band attached to it, and yes, keep watching so you can see how I do this install. This install is amazing. It is going to fit nice, flat, flush with no glue. Yes, I repeat, no glue. And it is just a game changer, y'all. So yes, keep watching as I show you how I do this install. When it comes to traditional sewing techniques, many people struggle with a number of issues. For one, there's the fear of damage to the hair, particularly for those who have fragile, thin hair. There's also the issue of comfort. Who hasn't experienced the discomfort of having tight braids throbbing their hair scalp? If you have very fine or very coarse hair, you may have found that traditional sewing methods, they just do not work. Another common issue with traditional sewing techniques is the lack of versatility. Whether you want to switch up your style or you want to try a new look, traditional sew-ins can be very limited. With my new method, all these worries disappear. My protective method is healthy, it's light, it's very versatile. You are able to wear it in many different styles. It's very easy to install, and most of all, it is very natural looking. Yes, natural looking, ladies. That's what we want. We want our hair to look as natural as possible. So definitely try this method. Yes, ladies, this method is what? A game changer. This method is completely and simply amazing. Just imagine no longer having to worry about your hair loss, your alopecia, your bald edges, your thin hair. You can now walk into the room feeling self-confident, feeling self-assured, and knowing that your hair is looking nothing but natural. No one will ever know that you have a weave unless you tell them. Yes, this style is absolutely natural looking. It is flawless and it is seamless. This technique is amazing. So yes, get your order in today for your closure. I have frontals and 4x4 closures as well. They come pre-braided. Yes, they are ready to use right out of the package. So again, no more worries, ladies. This technique is unimaginable, unforgettable. If you have not tried it, this is something that you need to try today. Again, continue to keep watching and see how this amazing style is completed. Don't forget to drop me some comments below, and if you are new here for the first time, please subscribe. Share this video with your family and friends, and definitely hit that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, because yes, I upload new videos every single week. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see how flat this lace is laying? I used absolutely no glue whatsoever. No got to be glue spray, no got to be glue gel, none of that. This elastic band, I just stretched it, sewed it down, and it is laying nice and flat. So yes, I am working on her baby hairs, or I would call wavy hair, because I am still not getting that baby hair just yet. So yes, this elastic band is the truth. It is awesome. And you don't have to worry about it moving, shifting, sliding, or anything. Yes, you guys, you gotta try it. So here, yes, I'm just finishing up her wavy hair, and this style is just about complete. She doesn't want any curls. She just wants it to be straight as the hair came. So yes, we are almost done. So continue to keep watching so you can see her final results.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
I am done, and look at this beautiful sew-in hair weave. Oh my God, no one will ever know that she has any hair loss unless she tells them. So yes, hair loss is no longer topic of discussion. It is no longer the story. Beauty is the story from this point on. Look how natural it looks. It is so beautiful. Her edges, her hairline, she has no more worries. She went from this to what? This beautiful, stunning looking hairstyle. Again, no one will ever know. Beauty is in effect.